Welcome back to English Learning. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get all the latest updates. So in this video, I will explain uses of prepositions. First is the uses of preposition of time. It tells that at what time an event occurs. Look at the uses of at. At is used to indicate when something happens. कब कुछ हुआ तब हम use करते हैं at. Also we use at with clock times like with periods of the year, days, festivals, but हम morning, evening, afternoon के साथ at use नहीं करते. For example, the train left at 1 o'clock. So this shows that at what time the train left. So that's why we used at with the time value. Next, he came here at the weekend. So at the weekend indicates when he came. Next, we rested at noon. So at noon is the preposition of time. Next, I was amazed at her brilliant performance. So at her brilliant performance is preposition of time. नेक्स्ट आर द यूजेस ऑफ इन preposition of time. इन तब यूज़ होता है जब पीरियड ऑफ टाइम इंडिकेट करना हो लाइक सेंचुरीज, ईयर्स, seasons, months, morning, evening, afternoon. Now look at the examples. First is she was born in 1993. So in 1993 shows the period of time when she was born. Next, they visited this place in winter. So in is used with seasons as well. Next, my father went to the USA in January. So in is used with the months as well. Next, he called on me in the evening. So in is used with the periods of the day. Next are the uses of on in preposition of time. On is used with days, dates, birthdays, एनिवर्सरीज और हम ऑन मॉर्निंग, इवनिंग, आफ्टरनून के साथ भी यूज़ करते हैं जब ये मॉडिफाइड हो. नाउ लुक एट द एग्जांपल्स. फर्स्ट इज़ वी वेंट टू सी अ मूवी ऑन वेंसडे. सो ऑन इज़ यूज्ड विद द डेज. नेक्स्ट, ही वॉज बॉर्न ऑन December 6, 1994. ऑन इज़ यूज्ड विद द बर्थडेज ऑल्सो. नेक्स्ट आर द यूजेस ऑफ ड्यूरिंग. ड्यूरिंग को इन की जगह भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं विद पीरियड्स ऑफ द डे, मंथ्स, सीजन्स, ईयर्स, डिकेड्स, सेंचुरीज टू एक्सप्रेस द आइडिया दैट समथिंग continues throughout the whole of a specified period. Now look at the examples. First is we work during the day and sleep during the night. So during is used with the periods of the day. Next, we try to contact people during October. So during is used with the periods of the month. Next are the uses of by. By latest time indicate करता है कब exactly action complete होगा. For example, he will finish this work by 5 o'clock. So this indicates the latest time at which an action will be finished. Next, by that time the moon was up. This shows the latest time, that's why by is used. Next are the uses of for. For is used with periods of time to indicate how long an action lasts. For example, we stayed there for 15 days. So this indicates for how long they stayed. Next, they have been working for 2 hours. So this indicates for how long they have been working. नेक्स्ट आर द यूजेस ऑफ सिंस. सिंस तब यूज़ होता है जब पास्ट में किसी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम पे कुछ हुआ हो और तब वो एक्शन स्टार्ट हुआ हो और अभी तक वो चीज़ कंटिन्यू हो. फॉर एग्जांपल, ही हैज़ लिव्ड हेयर सिंस 1980. सो दिस shows that 1980 से वो यहाँ रह रहा है and continues to live here. That's why since is used. Next, everything has changed since the last summer. So this shows that the last summer से सब change हो गया है और अभी भी सब changed ही है. Next are the uses of from. फ्रॉम इंडिकेट करता है स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट एक्शन का जो पास्ट में हुआ हो या फ्यूचर में होना हो. ऑल्सो फ्रॉम इज़ यूज विद टू और टिल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी लिव्ड विद देम फ्रॉम द एज ऑफ 20. So from is used because this sentence shows कि कब से वो यहाँ रह रही है. Next, he lives in his office from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So from indicates the starting point of an action in the past or future. Next are the uses of till and until. Till and until are used to show something happening or done up to a particular point in time and then stopping. For example, he is expected to be here until or till the end of the week. So till or until shows something happening. Next, I was employed by the company until 1980. So until is used to show that something happening and then stops after 1980. नेक्स्ट आर द यूजेस ऑफ बिफोर एंड आफ्टर. बिफोर एंड आफ्टर यूज़ होते हैं इवेंट्स को रिलेट करने के लिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, शी रिटर्न बिफोर मंडे. बिफोर इज़ यूज्ड टू रिलेट दैट शी रिटर्न बिफोर अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम. नेक्स्ट, दे केम हेयर आफ्टर 8 o'clock. सो आफ्टर इज़ यूज्ड विद द पर्टिकुलर टाइम. Next are the uses of preposition of place. It refers to those preposition which can be used to show where something is located. First is the uses of at. At is used to show the exact point like houses, stations, small villages and towns. For example, the plane landed at London airport. So at is used with the exact place. Next, she works at the town hall. So at is used with the specific place. Next are the uses of in. इन तब यूज़ होता है जब किसी स्पेसिफिक प्लेस या लार्ज सिटीज़, कंट्रीज़, कॉन्टिनेंट्स को रेफ़र नहीं करना हो. नाउ लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल्स वेयर इन इज़ यूज्ड. फर्स्ट इज़ मैनी पीपल इन इंडिया लिव इन विलेजेस. नेक्स्ट, दे यूज्ड टू लिव इन बेंगलोर. नेक्स्ट, द इंडियंस लिव इन इंडिया. So all these examples shows that in is used with general places. Next are the uses of on. On is used to indicate particular area of land or place where something is. For example, he spent a few days on an island. So on is used with a particular area. Next, he worked on a farm for some time. So on is used with a particular place. Next, they built their house on a beautiful piece of land. So on is used with a particular place. Next are the uses of preposition of movement. It is used to show movement to or from a place. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह में कहाँ movement हुई उसको preposition of movement कहते हैं. First are the uses of across. Across is used to indicate movement from one side of a space area line to the other side. For example, I walked across the road. So across indicates the movement from one side of the road to the other side. Next, the cat ran across the lawn. So across indicates the movement from one side of the lawn to the other side. Next are the uses of along. Along तब यूज़ होता है जब movement एक end से दूसरे end की तरफ हुई हो और वो जगह एक line जैसे दिखती हो. For example, we walked along the street. So along the street indicates the movement from one end to the other. Next, she went along the corridor. So along the corridor indicates the movement from one end to the other. Next are the uses of into. Into is used to indicate movement inside a place seen as a volume. Into तब यूज़ होता है जब किसी place, building, vehicle में enter करना हो. For example, the boys came into the hall. So into is used to indicate movement inside a place. Next, she ran into the house. So into is used to indicate movement inside a place. Next are the uses of onto. Onto is used to indicate movement into a position on an object or surface. For example, he climbed onto the roof. So onto indicates movement into a position on a thing. Next, the cat jumped onto the table. So onto indicates movement into a position on a thing. Next are the uses of through. Through is used to indicate movement from one end of an opening to the other. For example, the train passed through a tunnel. So, through is used to indicate movement from one opening to the other. Next, the water flows through the pipe. So, through is used to indicate movement from one opening to the other. Next are the uses of up and down. Up is used to indicate movement to a higher position and down to a lower position. For example, we climbed up the hill. So, up indicates movement to a higher position. Next, the girl ran up the stairs. So, up indicates movement to a higher position. Next, she was walking down the street. So, down indicates movement to a lower position. Next, she fell down the stairs. So, down indicates movement to a lower position. So, these were the uses of prepositions. So, that's all for now. Stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.